Exponent properties. Product of powers property. So here is our question, which says, find the value of x using the product of powers property. And here is our equation, 9 to the 4th power times 9 to the 3rd power is equal to 9 to the x power. Now to solve this equation, we are going to have to use this property, the product of powers property. To explain what this is, I'm going to first write out this 9 to the 4th power, and then I'll write out this 9 to the 3rd power. To write out the 9 to the 4th power, we can simply rewrite it as 9 times 9 times 9 times 9, because we are multiplying 9 by itself 4 times. And to write out this 9 to the 3rd power, we can rewrite it as 9 times 9 times 9, because we're multiplying the 9 by itself 3 times. Now, to show that this is the 9 to the 4th power and this is the 9 to the 3rd power, I'm going to add parentheses so that when we add the multiplication symbol, we don't get it confused which one is the 9 to the 4th power and which one's the 9 to the 3rd power. We can also rewrite this without the parentheses though. So we can rewrite it as 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9, which is equal to 9 to the 4th power times 9 to the 3rd power, just we remove the parentheses. Something interesting is that we are multiplying this 9 by itself 7 times. So this is equal to 9 to the 7th power. And you might say, what's so interesting about this, Angira? And what is interesting about it is that this 4 plus this 3 is equal to 7. And 9 to the 4th power times 9 to the 3rd power is equal to 9 to the 7th power. And why is this? This is because we are just multiplying this 9 by itself 4 times, and then we're multiplying it by the 9 times itself 3 times. So we're just multiplying this 9 by itself 4 times, and then multiplying it by itself 3 times, which is equal to 9 times itself 7 times. So we can write here that the value of x is 7, so we don't forget. But the main thing that I want you to take out of this question is that this works for any equation set up in this format. An a to the b power times an a to the c power is equal to an a to the b plus c power. So let's solve another equation or expression or problem using a different format, but still using the same product of powers property. So rewrite the expression using the product of powers exponential property. We have 5 to the 8th power. Obviously, there are so many ways you can rewrite this because there are so many ways to add numbers to get to 8. You could do 1 plus 7. You could do 2 plus 6. You could do 3 plus 5, 4 plus 4. And you could keep going on, but then you'd be repeating again. So the numbers I'm going to use in this example, I'm going to do actually 3 of these so that we can get the idea. So what numbers should I use? I'll use 4 plus 4, 2 plus 6, and 1 plus 7. So using the 1 plus 7, knowing that 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, how can we rewrite this? Well, we can write it as 5 to the 1st power plus 5 to the 7th power, because 5 is our a, and then 8 could be our b plus c. So 1 being our b and 7 being our c, this would satisfy the expression. So we can rewrite it using the knowing that 2 plus 6 is also equal to 8. We can write it as 5 to the 2nd power plus 5 to the 6th power. And similarly, we can rewrite 5 to the 8th power as 5 to the 4th power plus 5 to the 4th power. And we are done. We have rewritten this in 3 different ways.